Hi guys, Andrei from Kiravo here. I've found this new full page cache plugin on X. It's called MilliCache. It's available on millipress.com. So I wanted to test it. It's a full page cache plugin powered by Redis or ValKey. Okay, let's download it and install it. I'm going to WP admin, click add plugin and upload plugin, choose file, upload the millicache.zip and install. Click activate plugin. Okay, we can see the constant WP cache is not defined. Okay, let's copy this and go to files, public HTML, WP config and add and save, then close. Now we're going to have to activate Redis. Go to Advanced Developer Tools, enable Redis. Okay, back to the admin. You can see there's a new version available. Let's update. Now let's refresh. Okay, the notice has disappeared. Let's check out the settings. Go to settings, go to MilliCache. As you can see, status connected. You have the settings here, have the storage server, that's okay. Enable gzip, enable debugging, no cache path, no cache cookies. You can set these if you want. Ignored cookies, ignored request keys, and the TTL cache expiry 1 days and grace period 1 month. Okay, let's see if it's working. I have a private window here. Let's right click, inspect element, go to network, refresh. Let's see, X, MilliCache status miss. Let's refresh again. The server response time has dropped to 61 milliseconds, so it's probably working. Yes, MilliCache status hit. Okay, let's refresh again. 60, 63, 60, 62, so it's around 60 milliseconds. 59, 58, 66, 64. Okay, now let's test with the flying TTFB from 22 global locations. The server location is Germany, so European locations should have the lowest TTFB. Let's test again. Okay, so Milan, Italy is the lowest TTFB, 74 milliseconds. MilliCache status hit. Berlin, 85, London, 85 milliseconds. Okay, but the main advantage of full page caching is not speed, but scalability. How much traffic can it handle? So let's set up a new test with Loader. We'll try with 250 clients over 1 minute. And let's run the test. The test is done, no errors. 7 requests per second. Okay, let's try. Let's go to 1,000. Still no errors. The average response time 300 milliseconds. about 30 requests per second, 15 on average. Okay, let's try 5,000. Okay, it's done. No errors again. About 80 requests per second on average. Okay, let's go bigger. 10,000. Okay, again, no errors. The average response time 122 milliseconds. Can we go bigger? I don't know. We have the free plan here, so let's see. 20,000. No. We cannot go beyond 10,000. Let's go per second. 10,000 per 15 seconds. Let's go. Okay, done. No errors. So this is pretty good. 680 requests per second. Okay, now let's see how this compares to the default caching, the LiteSpeed Cache. So I'm going to deactivate MilliCache, activate LiteSpeed Cache. Let's deactivate Redis. Okay. Now let's see. Right click, inspect element. Okay, LiteSpeed Cache hit. So now LiteSpeed Cache is working. 46 milliseconds for the TTFB, the time to first byte, the server response time, 49, 48, 45, 43. So I'm refreshing and it's a bit lower than the MilliCache version. It was the MilliCache version was 60 milliseconds. The LiteSpeed Cache version is slightly faster at 50, 43, 45, 47. Now let's see the global TTFB. The lowest here was 74. So let's test again. 84. LiteSpeed Cache hit. Okay, let's run a second test after this is done. Okay, you can see here Milan and Berlin slightly faster. 59 milliseconds, 64 milliseconds. LiteSpeed Cache hit. Okay, so LiteSpeed Cache is slightly faster. So the LiteSpeed Cache is slightly faster. That's because this is a server level caching, while the MilliCache uses Redis. The memory technically is faster, but I think it still has to read the advanced cache.php file. So that's why it's slower, a bit slower. Okay, now let's see the loader test. Let's rerun this test, run the latest configuration. Okay, success, 10,000, no errors, no timeouts, an average of 131 milliseconds. This is pretty much the same. I don't see a lot of differences here. 680 requests per second. So it is slightly faster than MilliCache, right? MilliCache 156 milliseconds, min max 110 and 1200. and LiteSpeed Cache 131, the minimum and the maximum 105 and 1100. So just slightly faster. Otherwise, pretty much the same. Okay, so what do you think about this plugin? Let me know in the comments.